Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a ripple effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now, let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this, you can export the video that you want to edit. And now, you can click on all effect at the bottom. Click on it, and in here, you can click on a border. And now in here you can swipe until you can see a ripple. This is the ripple, and then click on it. And now in here you can see the ripple 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. You can choose the ripple that you want. This is the ripple 1 and this is the ripple 3. But in here I want to add a ripple 3, so you just click on the ripple 3 and then click down in here. And finish. So that's how to add a ripple effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.